Network scanning, how it works, tools, types, and benefits. Having the best network vulnerability scanners tested and in use to tighten your cybersecurity is a win-win. Cybercrimes will not be reduced, and the chance of network attacks can occur at any time. So, what is network scanning in the IT and cyber worlds?
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Network scanning is the process of identifying the active devices on your network for vulnerabilities. It inspects and recognizes the connected devices, and external and internal components are interconnected by displaying features in the network protocol. The feature takes the libel signals to give a response based on the condition of your network security. What is network scanning? A network security scanner simplifies the monitoring, maintenance, and evaluation of the security. Thus, using data acquired from a network scanner is better, as it helps find live devices linked to your network and the interactions of its components. To constantly safeguard your system network, getting along with the way a network scanner functions and coordinates is a domino effect. The future of cybersecurity is bright, and network scanning proves useful to safeguard your network from different types of cyber attacks. Gain insights on the concept and understanding of network scanning and the way it works out to create a secured network, as outlined in this article. How does network scanning work? Network scanning works without complications, as it has the advantage of progressive explanations to resolve any issue. And this is why auditors and network administrators are considered best for such scenarios without having you break your brain. The network administrators scan the network and expose live hosts connected to your network. The same approach is applied by hackers to barge into weak signals and vulnerabilities in your network. So, the main logic for a network scan is not only to assess the weaknesses but also to safeguard sensitive data from all kinds of data breaches and cyber bombardments. This is done by assessing the IP address and the components interconnected with your network system. This fundamental is mostly applied to identify network and data vulnerabilities against cybercrime. As a matter of fact, network administrators can access various tools and approaches with the network scanner online. Cyber experts can use network diagnostic tools like Ping, Datadog, Dynatrace, Wireshark, Nexthink, and others to identify live hosts and IP addresses. On the same note, auditors and network administrators can opt for a suitable software application program to inspect network security for open ports. This program functions in a way to give an update on the strong or weak status of your system. In this way, the security-intended organizations can combat alarming or sudden complications to safeguard their networking systems. Types of network scanners. With the advantage of being exposed to the various types of scanning in cybersecurity, let us look at the 3 best network scanners cited below. 1. Host, Ping, scanning. Cybercriminals conduct a host scan using the same approach as an auditor to map and find vulnerable networking hosts. This is generally done through a ping, i.e., a range of IP addresses. Host scanning helps you detect vulnerabilities in a host that may be picked out for attack. 2. Vulnerability scanning. Vulnerability scanning is performed to identify potential weaknesses in the networking system and application. These types of scanning tools are generally signature dependent. It means that the tools can only find the known vulnerabilities that the tool is capable of identifying. There are multiple freeware tools and programs accessible on the market. 3. Port scanning. Hackers perform a common method of port scanning to discover weak points and types of hosts within a network. By recognizing the services, the hacktivist can attempt attacks against known loopholes in the services. Port scans try to determine and make the initial connection to a service running on a specific port number. The port scanning works by dispatching packets to an application and examining them for reviews. It is also easily encroached upon and exposed by intrusion detection or firewalls. Benefits of network scanning. Some of the benefits of network scanning include: reveal security vulnerabilities. It examines the state and interaction of the active hosts within the network to find out the weaknesses. The network scan is used to find issues that can pose a potential threat to sensitive data. Recognize and ward off external threats. The best benefit is having the advantage of identifying the current network users and acquiring these approaches to reveal gaps that could be exploited by hackers at any time.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.